Hello everyone, today I'm going to try Badam Halwa and I have got a guest who's going to help me with the preparation. It's none other than Google Mini. Hey Google, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What can I help you with?
Yeah, please find me a recipe for Badam Halwa. Yes,
Great. This recipe serves two and takes about 30 minutes to make. Would you like to prepare the ingredients or skip to the instructions?
ingredients please.
There are 6 ingredients. I'll read them one by one. Let me know when you're ready for the next ingredient. The first ingredient is milk 1 cup.
Okay, how to take milk 1 cup. Okay, there we go. Milk 1 cup. Okay Google, next.
The second ingredient is water 3/4 cup.
Okay, I've got water. Okay Google, next.
Sugar, granulated sugar 1 cup.
Okay, so I've got sugar. Okay Google, next.
Ghee, clarified butter 3/4 cup.
Okay, I got it. Okay Google, next.
Almonds bottom 1 cup.
Okay, I got it. Okay Google, next.
The last ingredient is saffron thread 7 to 8 piece. That's it. Let me know when you're ready to start.
Okay, I got it. Okay Google, next.
There's 10 steps. I'll read them one by one. When you're ready to hear more, you can say, next step. First step, soak almonds overnight or for at least 6 hours till the skin pops out of the almonds when you squeeze the almond with your fingers.
Okay, so as Google Mini told me, I'm going to soak these almonds in water for at least like 3 to 4 hours or as long as it takes. So I have soaked the almonds for 2 hours and I have peeled off the skin. So as you can see here. Okay Google, next.
Second step, to skin the almonds and grind in mixer blender to make a thick paste with milk, adding little by little at a time.
Okay, so now I'm going to put it in a mixer and add milk and I'm going to grind it. So I have put the almonds in a mixer, added 1 cup of milk. Now I'm going to grind it. So I have grinded it like a paste. So let's go to our next step. Okay Google, next.
Heat sugar and water till it starts boiling.
Okay, I'm keeping a pan, adding water, turn on the gas stove. And now I'm adding sugar. You have to boil it until the sugar melts completely and forms like a syrup. Okay, looks like the sugar is melted. Let's ask Google with our next step. Okay Google, next.
Add saffron threads mixed with a tsp of warm milk to the water and sugar syrup and boil for about 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay, I've got warm milk in a cup and I'm adding saffron, mixing it well and adding it to our sugar syrup. Okay, let's ask Google with our next step. Okay Google, next.
Add the bottom and milk paste.
Okay, I'm going to add badam paste to our sugar syrup. So I have added the badam and milk paste completely. Okay Google, next.
Now add ghee little by little, mixing well.
Okay. Now I'm adding ghee. Okay, so I have added ghee completely. Okay, Google, next.
Keep mixing till the mixture thickens little and there are wrinkle formations when you move your spatula in the mixture.
Okay, so I'm going to keep stirring this mixture for a while. Now I'm so eager to know how long I need to keep doing this, so let's ask Google Mini. Okay, Google, next.
This will about 10 to 12 minutes.
Okay, 10 to 12 minutes. I've been stirring this for a while, so let's find out our next step. Okay, Google, next please.
Remove from heat and cool. The halwa will thicken more as it cools. You will not be able to make pieces.
Okay, so now looks like I have to take it off from the gas stove. But I still feel this is little liquid. Maybe I need to heat it for some more time. So I'm going to proceed with heating for some more time. So just to add a little bit of color to our halwa, I'm adding yellow food color, and also I wanted to add some more flavor and taste to our halwa, so I'm adding cardamom powder, and I'm just mixing it well. I want to make our halwa little thick, so I'm still keeping it on heat. I will be stirring this halwa until it becomes like a dough, so that I can cut it into pieces. In the meantime, let's find out the next step from Google Mini. Okay, Google, next.
Also, using a non-stick utensil can help to make the process of mixing easy since the halwa will not stick to the pan. This was the last step. Enjoy.
Oh, that's it. Okay, so let me continue to stir this mixture until it forms like a thick dough. So our halwa has become like a dough, so we can turn off the gas, I think, and I'm going to transfer this halwa to a plate. And before I transfer, I'm just greasing the plate with a little ghee. Our badam sweet is ready. I have transferred our badam dough into a plate, cut it into pieces, garnished it with almond flakes. Now it's ready to be served. This is how it looks. And also, it's time to thank our friend who helped me in the process of making badam halwa. Hey Google, thank you.
Happy to help.